What if I tell you that you own and use a tool every day that I can convert to a tool that saves time and supercharge your productivity? I am talking about WhatsApp. I have it, you have it, our whole country has it. We use it every day to send pointless memes and good mornings to each other. But what if I told you how this everyday app can be a powerful tool to boost your productivity as a mom? Hi, I'm Nitya Rangarajan, and today we are going to dive into the world of WhatsApp. Let's get started. Before we dive into WhatsApp productivity hacks, let's acknowledge something we already know. Life as a mom is hectic. Balancing family, work, and personal time can be a juggling act. Now, let's see how to use WhatsApp to regain control over your daily routine. First hack is family calendar in groups. Create a family group and use the calendar feature to plan events, appointments, and school activities. No more scribbled notes on the fridge. Okay. Second hack, to-do lists with check marks. Use WhatsApp to share to-do lists with your spouse or partner. Add check marks as tasks are completed, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Hack number three, meal planning in chats. Exchange meal planning ideas, recipes, and grocery lists with friends or family members through chats. It's a virtual cookbook at your fingertips. Hack number four, homework help. Assist your kids with homework by snapping a picture of a math problem or tricky assignment and send it to a family chat for quick solutions. Fifth hack, virtual playdates. Arrange virtual playdates for your kids with their friends. They can stay connected and have fun while you get things done. Let me share some real life examples of how WhatsApp has made my life as a mom more efficient. First is school group chats. I've been part of a school group chat where parents coordinate events, share updates, and arrange carpooling. It's been a game changer for me. Second example is grocery shopping. My husband and I use WhatsApp to share our grocery lists. We can add items as we remember them, and it's all in one place when we hit the store. And the most important example, my amazing community of mothers where I share daily tips, tricks, hacks, and so much more, where we support and nurture each other's journey, is also on a WhatsApp group. So there you have it, fellow moms. Let's use WhatsApp for more than just sending memes. Let's make it our secret productivity weapon. By harnessing its power, you can simplify your daily life, stay organized, and connect with your loved ones effortlessly. If you found these tips helpful, please drop a comment to join my WhatsApp. And if you found this video valuable, do check out my recent video on task switching for moms.